everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my Premium Mart Boxycharm unboxing. I don't think that all came out right, but y'all know what I mean. So we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, on my channel, I typically upload 3 times a week and I really focus on makeup items. So unboxings, product reviews, similar related things. I would love for you to join the family. My goal is to hit 50 and then I can do a giveaway for everyone. So please click the subscribe button, and without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the box. So I got my Boxycharm Premium box the other day and we're going to jump in. The theme for this month is luck, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up, I believe, this coming week. And we're going to jump into the biggest thing that I see in here first. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. And this is kind of a cult classic. I have used it before. It says it's a probiotic-based ingredient that helps boost skin radiance, produce elasticity, hydrate while locking down makeup for a fresher, longer, more flawless face. Retail value is $35. It's okay. It's okay. I know some people really love it. I'm not hating on it. It is a full-size product. It is good. It is a little bit of a hydrating product. For me, I don't see a significant difference in hydration for my skin, although I know it's hydrating primer. And there's other ones that I really like better, but it's not a bad product. So first one, right off the bat, cult classic. Everyone, or a lot of people, tend to really like it. This is the premium box. The next product that I got is a single dose of colors eyeshadow in the shade Reflection. So this is, retail value for this is $20, ultra dazzling finish. We're gonna look at the color real quick because I know I have a knife in here somewhere because I left it. See what it looks like. Single eyeshadow is more base box to me, not premium per se. I mean, I know that is a pretty color. It does have a little mirror. I've gotten one of these before. I think I actually got it in my Ipsy bag, which is a $15 bag. Swatch, we're going to go ahead and swatch it right on my arm. It is a beautiful color. Dose of color eyeshadows are really nice. I have no complaints about the product. I think for a premium box that this is a little lacking, but that's my opinion, and that's okay. Next product that we have is the Beauty London Dual Eye Brush Set. And I don't know why, but this box reminds me of like very dollar store. I must be grumpy today, huh? Being very snarky, which is not my usual self. Here are the eyeshadow brushes. So you have an angled brush, a fluffy brush, flat shader, and a bigger fluffy brush. I do want to fill one of these fluffy ones. It is a textured handle. They are completely plastic. It feels kind of like a pineapple on the bottom. I know that's a funny way to describe it, but it is a little textured right here. They are nice, soft brushes. I do have to say that. They are very nice and soft. Very orange. Handles are plastic. Bottoms are just a flat and not rounded or anything like that. I do like that. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't show it close up. This is thinner and then it kind of flares out right there. So it does make it nice to hold if you're going to hold it up close. However, I tend to hold my brushes a little farther back, so I don't know what that would do for everyone. Depending on where you put your hands will make a difference for what it feels like. And the cost of this is $48 for 4 brushes. This is cruelty-free, so I do appreciate that. $48. Ooh. It's a little high for those, I think. This is a little high. This is a brand I don't know how to say. Rowan Beauty is what I'm assuming you say it. This is Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. This soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm, $26. There's the color in Charlie. I do think that looks like a pretty color. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. I do like that as well. That is a beautiful packaging. Clear top, very sleek, not really anything. Rowan is right there in kind of a white along the silver. That is stunning packaging. I do like that. I do like that a lot. It smells like mint. It smells just like mint. Oh, and that is, I guess I was thinking it would be a little thicker by the way they described it. It's lip gloss. It is pretty. It does look nice. It is fairly sheer on there. You can see the color. I like that. That's nice. Cool product. I've never used Rowan before, so definitely excited by that. I love, as I just shove it on my nose, I'm sure, I love the smell of that. That smells like mint. Oh, beautiful. Oh, next product that I have is IGK. This is the IGK Pre-Nump Instant Spray Hair Mask. High-powered in-shower treatment. Performs like a traditional hair mask, but works in under a minute. Multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil and Capuacu, C-A-P-U-A-C-U butter. I've never heard of that. Deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. $32 is the cost of this. I like the idea of that. My hair is typically dry, so we are going to spray it just ooh, that is a big spray. I didn't think about that. So when you're in the shower, understand you'll get spray everywhere. And it is very much like a conditioner. You have that creamy, it smells good. It smells kind of beachy like. I'll be interested to try that. My hair is typically dry. I do have to put a hair mask on it. So we'll see how that works out, right? As always, I dropped something. It wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop something. Hold on. Okay, back to where we were. Last product that I have here is the CYPRESS Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. So this is an eye primer and an eye serum. We'll open it up in just a minute, but let's read. I know CYPRESS is typically super expensive. It says, this pairing packs technology-forward skincare first illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. It's made exclusively for Boxycharm, not for resale. $145. I know CYPRESS is typically very expensive. I could be saying that completely wrong. I think of CYPRESS Grease, but I could be totally off. Could really be Cypress like it is in Greece. So here is the shadow palette. It is very, very nice. It is high-end. It's nice, smooth finish. We have a magnetic closure right there that folds all the way around. There are the shimmer colors. We'll swatch those in just a second. Let me see if I can get the rest of the product out and not break things. And so here is the illuminating serum and primer. So let's open this up, let's smell it and put it on. I am going to put it on here so we're not anywhere else, anything else is at. That is thick. That is much thicker than I expected it to be. It kind of all plopped out there. It does have a smell. I can't tell you what it really, really smells like. There's a lot in there. It does seem like there's a little bit of a shimmer to it already, even without putting anything on top of that. I am going to kind of swatch a little more here. I have a ton on my finger. So we'll just kind of go all the way down. So there you can see that's that eye primer illuminating shimmerness thing. And now I'm going to swatch at least one of these. So let's swatch this white one right here. And I am going to do it right on top of that because it says that that's what you're supposed to do. That's pretty shiny. Let's do this pink one because I do like pink. Let's make sure we get it on. Up close, I can't really see a whole lot, but on the viewfinder, it looks like that's picking up pretty good. I'm just kind of building it up a little bit to see if I can see a difference. We're in that pink one right there. So you can see that, but up close, it doesn't look quite as intense as it does on the viewfinder. And I am going to swatch this pink one on a spot that's not, and so you can see it hardly does anything. I didn't have the primer, the illuminating primer on here. I do have it here, so you can definitely tell it does make a difference. Yeah, I don't really know what I think about that. We'll try it out. We'll see what it's like. That primer feels very sticky on my arm. I'm not liking it, but it's supposed to go on your eye, so that certainly makes a difference. At any rate, let's add up what we got real quick. So we received the $145 CYPRESS palette, the $35 Hangover RX, the $26 Rowan, the $48 eye brush set, the $32 IGK, and the $20 Dose of Colors, bringing us to a grand total of $306. I do have the version C21032224A-PM. I have to say this is not my favorite box. Yeah, definitely not my favorite box. Not bad, but not what I would think for a theme of luck so much. I mean, maybe the shimmer, I don't know what I think. What do you guys think? What do you guys get in your box? I actually didn't do any peeks this time, so I'm not really sure what everyone is getting or what you potentially could get. Drop me a line, let me know what you got in your March Boxycharm, how you're loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.